It's 11:44 and it has rained, but forecast said it wasn't going to rain. Okay, it started raining. My plants are doing okay right now, but if you can see the floor, it's raining. If you look up there, it's sort of dark. And what I'm doing right now is just eating a snack. It's 12 o'clock, so I have a few hours before I pick up Callie. But I do have a couple of things I need to do. I need to mail this drone out to DJI, I believe it is, so they can fix it for us. I need to mail this back, or not back, but mail that to my mother-in-law. I have to take a couple of clothes back that don't fit the kids. Zeke's shoes don't fit him, and we're gonna see if we can return this back to Santa because Kelly was not happy with them. I think I have a good idea. I clean our white gates right here like every 6 months. I don't clean it every week or every month. I clean it every 6 months. And it has to be done this month, and then I do it in June. So I'm kind of wondering, since it's raining, if I should go clean it now. And that way I'm not using water since we have a drought here in California. I think I'm going to do that. Because, I mean, I can totally clean it right now with soap. I mean, look how dirty they get. Let me show you. Let me open this. Oh, crap. I did the other lock. Sorry. Look at how dirty it can get. So I think I'm going to do that. But it's like fully raining. Okay, I did it. It was actually pretty cool, but as soon as I got out there, it really started coming down, which was a good thing because that way all the dirt is able to, you know, rinse out. But it was so easy. I didn't use any soap or any spray this time, but it is not, well, now it's somewhat stopped, but let me see if you guys can even see it. It's a little better than what it was. I couldn't go all the way back there, and I wouldn't because we do have possums who run across this, and I was like, no thank you. And then I think it looks much better over here. This is where the rain needs to like make it rinse out. I have another load of laundry that I have to fold and put away, but it's almost time for me to pick up Callie, so I'm going to leave it when I get back. We are on our way to pick up Zeke, and after that, we're going to go get Callie's rain boots because she needs some.
I have a little routine. 1, 2, 3. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He woke up, bumped his head and couldn't wake up in the morning.
Boom! She needs rain boots. I know that it probably rains like once out of the year here in California, but it has been raining a lot, which we're excited. So I'm gonna go get her some boots.
And this is what I'm
And you know what? She can wear them when it's not raining. I think that's the style, right, Cal?
Yeah, but also, look at, these are the shoes I'm wearing.
Yep.
I'm very flexible.
So this is what the soup looks like. I have a recipe that I already showed you guys how to make it, and I'll leave the recipe down below. But this is, you know, just meatball soup, and then I put some Mexican rice on top. Just like this. And then the rest of the family likes their rice on the side, not inside their soup. So yeah, it's Chris's, that's Zeke, this is Callie's. The reason I like mine inside the soup, that's how I grew up. You just toss the rice in there and you eat it all together. So that's the reason I like it like that.
I think maybe later tonight before I go to bed, I might want to do the mannequin challenge with at least all 3 of us.
We'll see. Okay, we're gonna enjoy our food. Zeke and I just got back from the gym. It's 9:48. Callie's sleeping. Chris went to bed. Here's Zeke. He's finishing up cleaning the kitchen. He's not feeling very well, but he still was a trooper and came to the gym with me. But we're gonna get going. It's super late. I want to shower and get to bed because I have to go to work tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.